Hi guys, welcome to the Complete Certificate in Facebook and AdWords Marketing, and thanks so much for taking the course. My name is Neil and I'll be your course instructor. This course is being put together for the purpose of simplifying the often lengthy and overcomplicated process of becoming confident at implementing a wide range of advertising campaigns and marketing initiatives. I've worked with a lot of businesses and individuals throughout my years working for Google across positions in sales, account management and user acquisition, and I've consistently seen the same types of challenges restricting people's progress across almost all marketing channels and tools. These challenges are almost always the result of people feeling intimidated by a seemingly complex tool or interface, and that intimidation leads to them shying away from trying new features that could help their business or website. In this course, I'll show you all you need to know to get the benefits of using today's most powerful platforms without wasting time dwelling on irrelevant details that overcomplicate the learning process, which means that in the time it takes the average person to learn how to use just a fraction of one platform, you'll learn how to confidently use 4 different marketing tools. We'll start by looking at AdWords, where we'll cover everything from basic campaign setup to advanced campaign implementations, display advertising, and campaign optimization. In section 2, we'll move on to Facebook marketing, where you'll learn how to use this incredible network to find people who are ready to buy from businesses and websites like yours. We'll look at all the targeting options available to us, and you'll learn how to quickly set up a highly targeted campaign suited to your specific needs. After this, we'll move on to learning about conversion rate optimization, where you'll learn some simple tools and tricks to get your website visitors to take the action you want more often. Finally, we'll cover analytics, the tool that's often seen as the most difficult to use and something that takes years to become comfortable with. But by the end of this course, you'll be using it confidently right away. As mentioned, we're going to kick things off with AdWords, arguably the most powerful digital marketing platform of the past decade, and still a staple platform for the majority of people wishing to advertise online. The format of this ad auction system means that even a small advertiser can outperform the largest of global companies in getting their ads to show prominently and drive sales via their website. That's what makes this first tool so popular. I hope you enjoyed the course, and if there's anything I can do to help along the way, please do get in touch to chat. Let's get into the lectures and start seeing these things in practice.